Nakapantulog na ako actually. So, nung nakita ko yung score, 81-56, palit ako ng gabi to. Pero tulog na sana ako. Then sabi ko, "Hindi, pampatulog ko. Tapusin ko na tong laro na to." 81-56, okay. 81-61, okay. 81-65, okay. Upo na ako. And the next thing you know, Alec Stockton game winner over CJ Perez. Kala ko nga at first, Mario, may eject si Stockton nung first quarter. Did you see that elbow?
I thought he was thrown out as well. But he was
That
thrown
that
out.
was in my opinion, that could have been warranted as a flagrant two.
Eh, uh,
It could have been.
could have been, yeah, but
Remember the game announcer? He said initially,
he did
hindi
say this
binawi.
initially.
Pwede yun?
Yeah, I thought, but then
Di
okay.
ba? So those are one of the things na babalikan mo rin.
Yeah,
If the guy who was almost kicked out of the game was the one that hit the game winner.
yeah. How do we how do we do this? Uh, uh. Okay.
Tulog na ako.
Honestly,
And
honestly, nung third quarter, kala ko tapos na. As in,
ako
kala ko.
rin nga. Parang wala na ibang panood. Sige, PBA na lang.
Yeah, kala ko talaga, ano, tapos na talaga. Uh, I'm kind of, medyo wala akong masabi kasi, SMB looked so good.
They
Sobrang,
were. Sobrang
SMB looked so fucking, ay, sorry. SMB looked so good, man.
nagmumura naman tayo. Like,
Oo nga pala, sorry. I forgot we curse here.
we can.
Yeah, I forgot. Oh, anyway, SMB looked so good during the game. Tapos, nung fourth quarter, nagpabaya. To be fair,
The
halatang
lineup was
nagpabaya din.
kind of questionable.
Dude,
Like,
ang dami nang ginawang sobrang questionable. Junmar just shot a random four-pointer in the middle of
yeah,
the game.
exactly. Sabi ko,
Like,
okay.
I was like,
That's how
oh,
we're gonna
okay.
play.
I guess that's what we're doing right now. Tuition a four-pointer out of nowhere. Um, Inupo nila si Terence nung mainit si Terence. Uh, um, yung import nila, I forgot his name. Yung import nila,
Uh,
medyo backout talaga.
Anoski, EJ Anoski.
Yeah,
Anoski. Anosike ba? Anosike?
ano, CK, whatever.
Yeah, EJ
Medyo
Anos.
backout siya
But that's what makes him special, though. That's what makes him special. Na
Does
he's a
he backout? I
No, he's a
don't.
scorer. Him being a scorer. He can also rebound.
Eh,
Ano tawag sa kanya? Chris Lutz? Parang there was a report na he's being compared to a Chris Lutz when he drives in a way, but he's bigger than Chris Lutz. But
he should be more
I
skilled than Chris Lutz.
he
He
is
should
naman.
be.
He,
He should be
he's
way
doing.
more skilled than Chris Lutz. Anyway,
I think the tendency lang. But anyway, yeah,
this game was lost when SMB started pretending like they already won the game, dude.
that's what happened. That's what I felt
That's
like.
that is to the nail exactly what happened. The I will not forget that June Fajardo random ass 4 point shot. I love that man. He's a humble man as hell, but Putik, that is not
It,
what the fuck are we doing, man? Um I'm not shout out din natin yung ano, yung Converge, right?
oh yeah,
Um
yeah. Shout out to Converge. Pero can we
see
talk about the collapse first?
yeah, okay, fine. Let's talk about the SMB collapse first. The Junmar 4, what the fuck? Sitting down Terrence, what the fuck?
Tama,
The
bro.
import still choosing not to pass the ball, still choosing to shoot threes all day. What the fuck? Um, CJ Perez was inserted into the game, I think, a bit too late, and he started taking some pretty bad shots. Not gonna lie, also. Don Troliano made a big three,
You
pero
made a big three. Kala ko yun na yun eh. Kala ko
kala ko yun,
okay.
kala ko tapos na.
Na distance na.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was like,
I think
okay,
ito na
that's parang you tried your best but you didn't succeed. Kaso, nag-succeed. And a lot of that has to go with, una sa lahat, um, Alex Stockton. Alex Stockton. Big
dude's
respect
a,
to Alex Stockton.
I
Wait
mean, he's a
lang.
star. I mean, he's a rising star. He's
Ba't
always,
ka matawag sa akin? Wait lang. Ayan. Ayan.
gusto mo ko yung thoughts mo sa podcast.
Hindi. It's Mika.
Sige, sige.
It's
Ah,
Mika.
okay.
Uh,
Baka sabi niya, oh, did you see the game winner? First of all, why are you watching that game?
I wish he'd watch basketball, bro. I wish he'd watch. Anyway,
Magtaka ka, ba't siya bigla nanonood? No?
oh, anyway, going back. Alex Stockton's absolute meteoric rise right now talaga. So how scary is Converge gonna be with Justin Baltazar, Justin Arana, and Brian Santos also?
Brian Santos,
Brian
those who are
motherfucking
the ones that made the threes during the
Brian
comeback.
Santos.
Brian Santos had like three pointers, Ben,
Yeah,
or two.
3-3. He had 3.
Shawnee Wilson with his
King Caralipio
King
is fucking
Caralipio as
king.
well. Attacking the basket. Shawnee
Yeah,
Wilson with his middies.
Shawnee,
Wow.
um, Alec, of course. But I think a lot of this comes down to SMB absolutely just
It's lineup management. It was lineup management. You didn't, the way it looked like, parang hindi nyo masyado na seryoso yung
oo.
final.
Tinapon
Like,
nyo lang yung
from
fourth.
a fan
Halatang tinapon
perspective,
nyo yung fourth quarter nyo.
medyo
Sige,
nagpetics
let's
kayo.
see. I saw that. I saw the like stat line. Wait lang.
May stat line ka na? Wala pa ano.
Hindi, meron nakita sa wait lang. Ay, ba't ito? Wait lang. Ang layo na pala ng wait lang. Uh, ayun, SMB scored 25 in the fourth. Usually that's enough. Pero yung Converge mo, nag-score ng 48.
Lala, bro. 48?
I don't remember Converge missing a single shot in the. Well, I'm sure they did.
They did naman. Ang bilis na pace nila.
Sobrang bilis ng pacing ng Converge. They were running every time they could. And I think kita mo na medyo it's getting to San Miguel na they were missing. They started to miss pretty wide open shots na rin. So yeah. Congrats to Converge. Pero putang na. If you're SMB, you're kicking yourselves. Kasi may game kang EASL sa Wednesday if you're SMB.
Yun nga eh. May October 2 game kayo eh. So,
may game ka sa EASL. Tapos, may game ka ulit sa Friday. So, pinapagod at if you had won your game today, if you're SMB, EASL is just gonna be another training ground. Ngayon,
another training ground.
You have to go again into another competitive matchup, against Converge, who we all thought you were gonna sweep in 3 games. And I will say all. I will not backtrack on that shit.
I'm sure all the comments, or I think nobody sa lahat ng series, yung SMB Converge walang kumontra sa atin. Kasi alam rin nila.
SMB Converge, everybody was like, oh hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
No comment mga tao like that.
Yeah. And now what? Now it's not SMB in 3. It's gonna be what? Obviously, you'd think it's still SMB, right? Actually, sure naman ako. I'm sure naman ako SMB yan.
Guys, clear up lang namin SMB pa rin mananalo sa series.
We really...
But not this way. We didn't
not this way. Wala, ang dami mong pwedeng i-shout out for this Converge team today.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to Converge now.
Played like dog, bro.
Laban si Jones, he fought till the end. Alam mo yung some imports, okay, this is my last game na, uwi na ako. Yeah, sometimes you take a rest, diba? Usually, iisipin mo, papahinga na yan. Kasi hindi mo alam saan siya pupunta next.
Yeah.
But he just kept on playing. He just kept on playing.
In the first 3 quarters, he played like shit. And then in the fourth...
Na-check siya.
Huh?
Na-check in a way. To his standards, na-check siya.
And then in the last 4 minutes, he's able to get rebounds, make a pretty big layup, defend pretty well, rebound the ball. But it was the locals. It was really the locals of Converge who really got them this game. Shout out din to Alex Cabagnot. I think Alex Cabagnot,
he did this part.
In the third and fourth quarter, provided really good stability for Converge na they really needed at that point. And now, if you're SMB, wala. Player game on Wednesday, player game on Friday. That's what you get. You turned your brain off.
If I'm SMB, I'll take it easy on Wednesday. Blow. Diba? Parang bawiin nyo yung Converge, like knowing kasi napahiya kayo dito. Aminin nyo, nakakahiya to.
Medyo nakakahiya.
Medyo nakakahiya to.
Medyo nakakahiya.
And it's not all on the players. It's a collective thing na the coaching staff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kasi that's your job to get yung screw in the heads of the guys. So parang guys.
Guys, tara na. Let's go.
10 na lang Guys, diba na lang Guys, tayo na Sasabihin mo pa.
Muntikan pa sila matalo right away if Marshall didn't get fouled from 3, which...
Diba? But Scotch Marshall though, hindi naman ako Hindi kala ko kasi, mag-overtime. Sabi ko, okay, patay, dito na sila babawi. And then, of course, Alex Stockton, that game winner happened.
That Alex Stockton game winner. That was contested as fuck. Sobrang
contested talaga!
Sobrang contested yun. As in, muntikan pa nga ma-block ni CJ. Actually, he kind of fouled him. Medyo nasipa niya si Alec or baliktad. Anyway, big shot from Alex Stockton. Talagang rising talaga.
Is
And
this his first game winner?
no,
Di ba he had na before?
no,
He
no.
had
He's
na
had
before eh.
many.
He
He's
had
had
many
many.
before. Yeah, he had before na. But this is the biggest na in his
This is the
career.
playoffs.
The
Syempre, so
playoffs, yeah.
yeah, yeah. So
Grabe si Stockton, bro, over CJ. Inuulit ko ngayon.
right now, yung SM, yung Converge. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. We know SMB is probably still gonna
Yeah,
win this
we're
game.
focused on this game only. This is
Yeah,
just a reaction na congrats Converge for winning game 3.
yeah,
Not winning the series. I
yeah,
mean, we're still realistic at the end of the day.
yeah. And if I don't know what to say if you're SMB talaga. Medyo so it went wrong in so many places for SMB at the in that fourth quarter. It was so sloppy. It was sobrang giveaway nung 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 fourth quarter nila. And if you need any signifier of how giveaway it was, the Junmar Fajardo 4-point shot. I don't give a flying fuck if you're up 13 points. You don't take a random 4-point shot with what 15 seconds left to shot clock. Fuck
Mm-hmm.
no, dude. That was a ill-advised shot. And dun pa lang kita mo na you could see it. The SMB lost it completely na from there. Uh, they're gonna bounce back for sure. Maybe on Friday we'll see an SMB that I don't know blows them out by 50 or or something. Kasi this was your game that will allow your team to rest and you threw it away kung ikaw yung SMB.
Yeah,
I'm not a big fan of the import, not gonna lie.
I
the
like him. Gusto ko siya. I like him. I like how he plays. Gulo.
I
Parang
think
in a
he's a
way.
little backup. I think he's too backup. I think if that
So you wish he passed it more.
I wish he would pass a bit more. I wish he would. I don't know, but I think Jordan Adams was a better fit. But diba injured siya, so that's why he can't play. I
Jordan
think
Adams was the perfect import,
yeah, I
Jordan
think
Adams.
Jordan
Pero
was
wala naman sila magagawa doon. Hamstring
yeah.
ata yun or Achilles issue.
So I'm not sure.
Basta
So
hamstring
yeah,
ata.
I'm just not. He's okay. He's okay, but
Alam mo, at this point, we're just nitpicking kasi syempre, di ba, like, but syempre, if they could have won this by 20 plus, and
I
we wouldn't
mean,
have, would,
I
but you think it's a concern, itong import nila moving forward? He doesn't look
I mean,
as,
kasi
like, import
what
worthy for you.
what is
Na,
an import, diba? Right now, an import has to be the guy you can give the ball to at the end of the game, and he's gonna make you the play. Yeah, that's how we see it. That's what you have
uh,
in Justin Brownlee. Then you meron ka kay RHJ. Uh, for Ross, honestly, you can look at Aaron Fuller and he can make you a play. Sa SMB sa SMB lineup, do you really think yung import yung ibibigay nila yung kukuha ng bola sa dulo? I don't think so. I think as of right now, he isn't in that position yet or he isn't that guy yet for them. Ayun. So I really the SMB really needs to bounce back. I'm sure they will, pero this is a fucking shocker if you're SMB. You should not have lost this
mm,
game.
agree. And
And
I think, yeah,
yeah,
go.
shout out pa
Finish
rin
your
sa locals na Converge. Sobrang shout out pa rin. Justin Arana. So when Justin Baltazar comes to Converge, where do we see Converge going now? They are absolutely
Semis. Semis.
they're
Semis.
looking very
I
good.
think
They're looking very good.
semis. It's the semis. Cause Justin Baltazar, Justin Arana, Brian Santos, Stockton, Shawnee Winston fit
Johnny,
well together.
yeah.
I'm thinking, knowing that dyan sina Coach Charles and Coach Raiko, they will not plug Balti at the paint
Oh yeah,
only. They're gonna plug him as a wing.
pwede. He's
Yun
a
nga,
big guy.
ganun mangyayari. Kasi ngayon, si ano na eh, it's Coach Charles and Raiko. Di
Yeah,
sila archaic when it comes to the
yeah,
schemes that they implement, diba? So, it's a semis, finals, or bust for Converge
yeah.
by the time Balti arrives. Assuming na healthy lahat, diba? Kasi, diba? You know.
And with the rumors of their incoming Commissioner's Cup import being D12. Tama ba?
As of right now, there's no confirmation yun. Di ba may kumakalat?
Yeah, rumor,
Pero
rumor.
I'm
It was
pero
it.
I'm rumor yun, pero I'm sure
Yeah,
target nila si D12 but we don't know if Dwight Howard will have some commitment by that time.
yeah.
So hindi pa yung totoo,
Imagine.
guys. Like, pero that is for sure in their wish list or a Christmas early Christmas gift sana. Kasi
Yeah.
December, yeah.
So Converge is looking really fun. They're looking really fun for the future talaga. And this is so big for a young group of guys to win this game, no? It's just big for their confidence, big for them as a team na natalo natin ng SMB. And in the first two games, they weren't blowouts.
It was close. Actually, it was very close. First two games that were close.
Yeah.
Wala namang blowout.
They lost by 7 in both games. So they aren't as far off as we think they are. For SMB,
Alam mo, out of
yeah,
all the three games, kala ko ito yung game na matatambakan na sila because Justin Aran is coming from an
talo ko rin.
injury. Alex Stockton looks like he's in his feelings nung first quarter, di ba?
Talo ko rin. And it
So,
looked that way. It looked
it
that
looked
way.
that way. There was another foul pa nga right after later on na I thought masisipa na siya kasi meron ulit parang collision with somebody
Yeah,
else na,
so.
so
But
I thought,
ayun,
okay, yeah.
yeah. Yeah, anyway, medyo shocking both results today if you ask me sa PBA. I genuinely thought Meralco could steal one, but they did not.
I love
And
this. I love today. I love tonight. That was a great two. Those were two great games. Kasi hindi natin in-expect ano yung nangyari, di ba?
I never expect either. I didn't expect either to happen. And honestly, we can say both are towards both games follow the same script of the team leading in the fourth, just letting their foot off the gas, and the locals of the other team absolutely stepping up.
Pero yung difference with Meralco lost steam. They lost steam. It's not like pero it's not like nagpetik sa Meralco. They were there, like nandun pa rin
yeah.
Foul trouble si Cliff Hodge and Chris Newsom. Yeah. That played a factor.
Yung nagpetik
anong excuse mo sa SMB? Walang Jordan Adams. Hindi excuse yun.
Yeah. Yung SMB talaga nag-let go. They really let go.
And for those asking why we are very hard on SMB, if you're a great team, you really have higher expectations, you have higher. Di ba ganoon naman talaga, Mario, like, why we're tough on the best teams? Kasi they're the best.
Because they're the best teams!
They are held to a higher standard. Kailangan namin explain to, kasi para lang malaman, kailangan namin i-explain sometimes Kasi, alam nyo na, kailangan natin explain yung mga ganoon.
Yeah, guys,
it's not like we're biased. We still believe na SMB is gonna win, but the way they lost was the concerning thing.
Yeah.
You cannot
do these things
against Ginebra.
Pag pinasok mo yung Ginebra, yung Converge na yan, let's admit, wala pang crowd yan na malupitan.
Yeah, actually, pag pinakalaban mo na yung crowd nila.
Pag nakalaban mo yung Ginebra dyan,
baka maratel. Not saying na mararatel sila Junmar. I'm just saying that that's another factor that could add.
Exactly. Tsaka, you can't do these things talaga if you're SMB because of how packed your schedule is. Ang dami mong laro, may EASL ka sa Wednesday, maglalaro ka tuloy on Friday. You did not need this at all if you're SMB. Oversight on their part. But I'm sure they'll adjust. SMB pa rin, SMB skill na SMB. But in the next couple of rounds in the game against when they move on to go against Ginebra and maybe in the finals, you can't do these things against those teams.
Pero buti na lang nangyari ito sa kanila. You remember like how LaSalle lost to UE? Like, okay, sige. Then they woke up. Pero SMB is a pro team led by like a 8-time MVP. With no first big ano pala nangyari kay Motao Tua, bro? Parang
injured.
So he's not gonna come back this
not sure,
playoffs.
Never checked.
Yeah. Anyway, you guys yung mga sa comments, some people really know what's happening behind the scenes. So let us know ano nangyari kay Motao Tua, like what's the exact things that you know about him. Anyway,
totoo dito Mario di naligo. Hopefully nakapag.
Pero nag-reply siya. Did you see what he replied? Sabi niya no hate. Sabi ko, sorry siya. Sabi ko, all good.
I'm sorry, guys. It's been a long day. This is my third video today.
I think it was just trying to poke, but he's a good nice commenter. Shout out. Ano pangalan niya? I-shout out na lang natin.
Shout out. Casey was this.
Yeah.
Anyway, a funny ass comment. Yeah. Sorry, guys. I've been studying the whole day.
Nag-aaral siya the whole day.
Nag-aaral the whole day.
College student pera.
Tapos every 3 hours nag-message si Nico na shit, we need to record. I'm like, okay, sure, we'll do it. Anyway, shout out to everybody who engaged in the Ginebra video we just posted. Grabe yung
2K views na. 2K views na in 1 hour. Ang lakas ng
Talaga ba?
Bilis. Sobrang bilis. I think it pays to be first din.
Yeah.
Na
Kung first, pre. As in,
inabahan
literally,
natin. Tayo
kakatapos lang ng
record!
game.
Record!
Anyway, so yeah, really
That's the game.
fun.
Yeah, see you
Yeah.
guys tomorrow. Bukas ulit.
Yeah, this is gonna
Pero
be posted
baka,
tomorrow, I think.
pero ako kasi I'll be coming from Ninoy. I'm gonna be at the, di ba? I'm gonna be at the stadium to watch. So most likely baka gabi tayo mag-record. Then,
Ano to
let's
bukas?
see.
Rainer sign
Ross,
Patriots.
Magnolia. Hindi ako, gusto ko
Hmm.
sana mag-record doon, pero nahiya ako kasi, di ba? Malamang, it's a
Hmm.
press room. I cannot.
Ross Mags tomorrow.
That's another classic. That's another classic. That's another classic.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun tomorrow.
And
Yeah,
then, NLEX TNT. Hopefully matayong series. Para tumagal. Mabot na
yeah,
5.
that's for now. At this point, nagawa ng
Anything
team
can
yung
happen. At this point, anything can happen eh. Para,
yeah,
okay.
you allowed Converge to take one, anything can happen. Anyway,
All
that's all,
right.
guys.
Thanks, Mario. See you guys. For those on Spotify, don't forget to follow, give us a 5-star rating on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you all tomorrow. Peace.
Good night.